Welcome back, everyone. Right now we have a 2011 Ford E350 van in the shop today, and we're going to be doing an oil change on it. So, come with me and we'll get started. All right, now I got the van up in there, so grab some cardboard, a drain bucket, and you also need a 17 mil socket or a wrench, whatever you have. All right, now let's get underneath this van. So when you crawl underneath the van, you'll get to oil pan right there. You see the drain plug, and there's your oil filter. It's all pretty easy to access, nothing too difficult about it. So let's drain that oil. Oh, of course, and I drop it in. Ooh, saved it. Whew, hate when that happens. Now time to let that drain. All right, so that's draining. Let's get this oil filter ready. Get out of the box. Nice Carquest one. I'm gonna take some oil, put it around the seal to help out the next guy that's going to do the oil change on this, because I've seen it where they're stuck on it. You gotta fight them. Dip your finger in there. A little bit of oil. Put it around the seal. Throw this on. So I'll probably knock it over. Now let's get this ready. All right, oil's done draining, so let's break this oil filter free. Hope it don't come off with my hand, and nope, it's gonna fight me. Yep, it's gonna fight me. Come on, you. Oh, finally got it. Whew. Man, that thing was on there. All right, that's snug. Now let's put oil in this thing. All right, now it's time to put in the oil. Grab your 6 quarts of 5W20 and dump it in. But here's a stupid design. This right here, that's not your dipstick. That's for your trans. I'll show you where it is. The dummies at Ford thought it'd be a good idea to put it, let's see, where is it? See that little yellow tab right down there? That's your dipstick. Ridiculous, right? I know. All right, that's good. Okay, since you've done the oil change, there's one more thing you have to do. So, turn the vehicle, you don't have to turn it on, I don't think, but you have to reset the oil light. So, take this little thingy down here, and you press it until, let's see, 1, 2. Let's see if I can find it. I think it's, let's try holding that. Yeah, oil life at 0. Then you hold to reset. Oh, no, it went back. All right, hold on. All right, so you hold down this. Then you want to hold it to reset everything. And boom, there you go. At 100%. Simple as that. All you gotta do, turn it off, and you're good to go. All right, well that's basically how you do an oil change on one of these vans. And if it helps out at least one person, then I did good on this video. But yeah, I'm wrapping it up here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If it helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Maybe think about subscribing and all that. Hit that weird bell thingy around here somewhere. And I'm gonna go park this on the front lawn of the shop to see if I can get this thing sold. So, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.